Hey guys, Dean Hodges here. I'm going to show you today my project. I decided to do my project on inventory management and obviously using the skills that I've learned in class. The three things that I'm going to show you today is my macros to automate processes by clicking buttons. I'm going to show you some of the custom functions that I have created within VBA. And I'm just going to show an example of a pivot chart. All of this which will be automated through the buttons that you can push in this worksheet. Cool, let's get this started off. First things first, the first thing that I did was create a ABC analysis macro. And within this macro is actually a custom function that I created in VBA. The cool thing about this is it shows you the different profit margin potentials, and it groups your inventory in A category, B, and C, and so forth. So you know which of your items that you have on hand is most profitable and the ones that you need to look out for. So I'm just going to click this button right here, and you're going to see it's going to group together all the A items, B items, and C items. You'll see that the product SKUs are going to be put together according to what category they're in. So let's go ahead and do that. I also used the conditional formatting just to give it a visual effect. As you can see, I grouped all together the A items, which are your most profitable items, B items, and so forth, down to your C items. Cool. And the next thing that I did was I created a EOQ function within VBA, and I also created a macro button for that. So EOQ is really helpful because it helps you know what quantity to order so that your company can save money and order things at the lowest cost, so you're not hoarding inventory. So I'm just going to click that over here. So for each item you can see what the quantity is that you need to order. It's quite a complicated equation, so the fact that I was able to create a VBA function is really awesome. As you can see, I have my ABC analysis in here, and then I have my function that I created for the EOQ as well in VBA, which was fantastic. I'm going to move on to my next thing that I did, also creating a macro, and this is just going to show a forecast of the inventory based on demand. It is a simple average that I used over 3 periods to forecast for the 4th period. So I'm just going to click that there, and what you see is obviously the demand over 4 periods, and I've categorized it into the ABC categories of your inventory just to give you an aggregate view of what's going on with these products, and the 4th period being a forecast of a simple moving average. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I do well on this project. Thank you. Bye.